Yo guys, today we're gonna draw Vegeta step by step. First, we have to draw two lines. Those lines gonna help us to add the details like eyes, nose, and mouth. For the eyes, the distance between eyes is a half an eyes. Okay, for the nose is like a triangle, like a diamond. To draw the eyes, you only have to use shape. Be sure, don't be rude with the pencil about the pressure. Like I said before, the nose is like a triangle. The mouth is near to the nose. Now it's time to Vegeta face. You only have to use lines. When you feel comfy about the head, the face, it's time to the ears. Now I'm feeling comfy with the face. For draw the ears, remember, Dragon Ball characters has ears huge. Now it's time to draw in the front head of Vegeta. When you are drawing Vegeta, remember draw this M in the head, in the front head. That is one of the most important thing of Vegeta. Okay, and the lock of hair too, of course. If you want learn how to draw Goku step by step here in that link that appear right now, gonna be a video that gonna teach you how to draw Goku step by step. Now about the neck, you only have to use line like always, and the clothes of Vegeta the same, lines, shapes. Then now it's time to the hair. I used to draw the hair with that shape. That helped me a lot because now I only have to add the lock of hair. Pay attention about the position of the hair, the lock of hair of Vegeta, because it's too important. I have a question for you. What is your favorite character of Dragon Ball? In my case, is Vegeta because he's smart, he's stronger, and I love it. To be honest, I love it. And now it's time to add the details.
Get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Short dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there?
And now, my people, that is the final result of our draw. I hope you enjoy the video and give me a nice like. Don't forget to comment below and see you next time. Bye bye.
For the wrong guys, they keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? been searching for this all my life.